Hello everyone. This is Ashish Kumar, Assistant Professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. In part of estimation of road project, we have already dealt with about the flexible payment calculation, and now we are trying to have the estimation for rigid payment. First, we need to understand the drawings. We have the existing road. So existing payment is there. So you have existing payment. So existing flexible payment, rigid payment is already there, and this payment has been degraded. So we are trying to improve this payment. Because it is already have the rigid base, so we are trying to provide with the profile correction with the dry line concrete of M10, and then over that we are trying to provide a panel concrete. It is a new technology, panel concrete. It is new technology being uh, executed. Normally the concrete pavement thicknesses are 190 mm to 300 mm, but this is a new technology what we have for the panel concrete, that is 125 mm thick. Here the size of the panels are 1 meter by 1 meter approx. Normally what we have in conventional type, we have the panel of depending upon 3 meter by 4.5 meters, or maybe 3.75 meter by 4.5 meter also we are getting. So here you have the panel concrete over it. So at side you are trying to have the drain, or maybe the extra curve for that. So now we can see the estimate for the same. So we need to have the two layers, that is dry line concrete. It has the width of 3.75 meter only, and then you are trying to have the panel concrete of 3.75 meter. So without further delay we can see the how we have calculated. So the item is basically construction of dry line concrete subbase over a prepared subgrade with coarse sand, fine aggregate and all. But here not we are using on the subgrade, we are trying to have on the existing flexible rigid pavement, that is already PQC. On base of PQC we are trying to lay the dry line concrete, the size of coarse aggregate not exceeding 25 mm and cement ratio not exceeding 15 is to 1, and aggregate gradation or blending, the table 600.1 it is trying to have it. So it is the whole items is based upon some kind of a specification what we have. So providing the DLC in the existing PCC for as a profile correction, as we have mentioned that profile correction is basically we are trying to put some kind of potholes for that. So 15% has been considered. The total length of the pavement is 5.12 kilometers and width is 3.75 meter, and then thickness of the DLC has been considered as 100 mm based upon the measurement of the potholes, and all the three quantities has been multiplied for evaluation of profile correction of DLC. And providing with DLC on existing PCC, some of the section it has the 3 meter of the PCC only, so we want to build 3.75 meters. So there also they have considered a width as 3 meter, and then height is 100 mm. So now the we are overlaying with the panel concrete. So construction of panel concrete, PCC pavement thickness as per the drawing design, that is 125 mm, and the cement is 43 grade OPC, and then M30, the grade of the concrete is M30, and fine aggregate confirming IS 383 maximum size of aggregate not exceeding 25 mm. These are the specification what we have with zero point 0.2 cubic meter, and approximate weight batch mixtures has been given, and the entire thing has been mentioned here. So the number is 1, and the length of the payment is road having a PQC is 5.6 kilometers, so width is 3.75, and then thickness of the pavement is 125 meter. So total quantity is coming to this, and then extra for extra widening, we they have considered the 2% of the extra material. So these are the quantity. The total quantity is this. The rate is had been 7790.70, and then the total amount is this multiplied by this. The total payment as for CC payment, you have the total cost of this. You can see the how the rate has been evaluated. Here you can see the rates also. So it has been evaluated the entire thing, analysis of final concrete. You can see the quantity takeoff has been considered. So for labor male and a different labor component has been taken. Again, machinery component has been taken, different machinery. You can see the material component has been taken, and then other cement component, coarse and aggregate etc has been taken, and accordingly their rates has been taken, and then the finally the carriage cost, and overall we are getting per cubic meter rated 7790, uh, uh, 7790.70. So this is what we have for like a PKC payment. So we have already finished the entire thing. So thank you so much for joining with us. Please do comments whether we need to have the estimate per building works, or maybe like culverts and all. If it is you guys are really interested in that, so we can have it. Otherwise maybe we can close the estimation part here itself. So thank you so much, and stay tuned with us for the next section, what we have for the specification, and then contract and tender. So thank you for joining me.